Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome back. I know this has been a long time since I put a video. Had some other commitments, so could not give time to the markets. Anyway, right now what I can see in front of me, we will try and understand what is happening around. Also, we'll look at what kind of setups are available for tomorrow. We'll have two videos from henceforward. One is Banknifty and the other one is obviously my favorite Nifty. This is the first video of Banknifty that I'll be making. So let's get straight away into it. People who have not watched my videos earlier, what I usually do is I look for profiles using Banknifty futures and then slowly try and understand with a higher time frame to figure out where our setups are and then go into smaller time frames. This is what I usually do. Sorry for that bark from my dog. Anyway, now, so basically if I look into a larger time frame, basically 1 hour time frame is what I'm looking at. This was the massive fall down that we saw in Bank Nifty, correct? So after this, yesterday, that is on Friday, we saw that the price was there in this particular zone through the day, right? Now, before even marking certain things, I want your attention here. Look at this particular candle, whatever technical analysis that we have learned so far, anywhere, wherever you have learned, right? This is a shooting star, the price has to come down. This is a kind of a gravestone doji or kind of a doji where price is likely to come down if the price closes below this particular closing, or even this shooting star, right? But still then the price managed to kept above this level, right? So that means here there is a good amount of buyers who are interested in the market. Now we'll also confirm that with our volume profile. That's why I always look into futures and then we go into index, right? So let's go and straight away look for our confirmation. Have a look at this. Price opened here through the day and here we have, right? Now look at it. In spite of good shooting stars followed by shooting star on an hourly time frame, the prices were not able to go down, or the buyers kept holding on to their levels, right? So this becomes an important level for me. Now it doesn't mean that prices will not go below this. It can definitely go. I'm not saying no, but as a trader we need to understand a lot of accumulation has happened at this level, right? Through these levels, very few buyers were there, no sellers were there, right? So the buyers took the market. From here, both buyers and sellers activated. Amongst that, this level around 32,600, 32,700 is where most of the activity happened. Now you want to know, just this is not to our reference, just day before yesterday when the prices fell down, all right? Just have a look at it. Not a single candle you will find where there is a buyer in the market, right? So this volume profile tells us who are the participants, right? Clearly indicating there is a huge amount of sellers in this zone, right? And in this zone, right? So that is where you saw that the price came down and down and down. No buyers at all, right? The volume profiles really helps us to understand the market sentiments or market behaviors. All right. So here now at this junction, we know that particular 32,700 and 32,600 is an important level. Just to give us a confirmation around that level, see here, there is a good amount of put writing around 32,600, 32,500 and 32,700, right? Now there is only huge amount of selling that is there around 33,000 levels, right? Which is somewhere around this level, right? We'll just mark it also, Control H, Alt H, sorry. Alt H, yeah, around this level. Now I hope this is clear. Now how do we take a trade? Now what has happened, right? Let's go back to our index chart, right? Bank Nifty index will all right, so we have index chart here, correct? Now we know that 32,700, 32,600 is a good area for us. That is something that we have learned through our volume profile. Now here, if you see this particular thing, the stock or the index was taking a resistance at this level, right? And multiple number of times it has taken a support at this level, right? 32,500, 32,537, 32,600, right? So this is where most of the activity has happened, that we have confirmed, right? So if you see here, this is a kind of a pattern that has formed in 1 hour time frame, right? That is nothing but a pole, right? There is a, sorry, there is a pole, and there is a kind of a pattern that has happened here, right? Whenever such patterns happen, there is a high chance, right? It's a 50-50% chance, sorry, right? It is a 50-50% chance, mostly tending 60% you can say that the prices may go down, and 40% chances that the price will go up. Right now, this is something what is happening in the market right now. Just look at it, right? Look at this, right? This is the pole that we have right now, right? And there is a flag. So there is an accumulation happening around this level. If the price continues to hold above 32,900, we might get to see these levels tested around 33,200, right? So we are going to mark now, okay, having seen all the volumes and having seen the open interest and everything, we know what is happening around in the market. So we will just try and mark levels for us. How do we take a trade for us? All right, now straight away what we'll do is we'll go into 1440 daily time frame. As of now, I'm going to mark our day's low as an important level for me, right? This also is an important level. I have something here, right? This is something, because here previously also, if you see, this was a good zone that was there, right? Resistance being converted into support, double bottom this side. A lot of activities happened around this level, so this is going to be an important level for me tomorrow. All right, obviously this will be our next important level. Now having said that, we'll go into a smaller time frame, 60 minutes, and see if there is anything. No, I don't think so we have anything that we have missed out, right? Yeah, I think this is it. 15 minutes time frame. Absolutely right. We have one setup that is here, the other setups nothing as of now. All right. So what is the no trading zone for me? First of all, no trading zone is this particular zone for me, right? As long as the price doesn't cross this level, right? If Monday, setup number 1, okay, price opens flat, okay, and takes a support and either breaks this level or breaks this level, I am looking for the first target around this one, which is 33,200 around, approximately around that level. The second target will be above this level, right? Which we will see if it comes. First target for sure, we will look at this one. Second, if the price opens in this zone and tries to break this level, right, which is 32,500, where we have seen a lot of activity happening. If it breaks below that, then we might look here, but believe me, until and unless there is a strong breaking of this level, because look at the candle that has formed here, right? The candle indicates huge number of buyers interest. So I will be very careful in taking a short trade at this level. More or less I will be looking to buy itself if suppose I get a good price action around this level. Okay, only and only if there is a good sell off here tomorrow, if there is any news or anything as such, that is when I will look forward to shorting this market below this level. Otherwise I'll be a little skeptical at around these levels. All right, so that is trade number 2. Now what if the price opens straight away around here, right? Gaps down or opens यहाँ पर gap down होकर यहाँ पे open होता है. So we will look at what is happening here, and of course a little downside which will be around 32,000 level, which is a even number, round number. So these two levels I'll be looking forward to what is going to happen, and then look into buying it. All right, only I'm not going to be very strong seller, right? I'll be very honest about you in such cases, right? If suppose it breaks here, it holds for certain level and then falls, then I'm definitely looking for a selling. But in the very first 15 minutes, if it tried to come up like this, I will look forward to buying this zone rather than selling. All right, this is the third setup that we have. Right now, the next setup that I have is if price gaps up, right? If it gaps up here, I have a good resistance. I will look at how prices will react to this, and if prices reacts from here and come and take a support here, or if it breaks. If it breaks into this zone, I will not take any trade further from there, right? If the price comes here again, then starts moving up, looking forward to buying it again, right? But this will, which is a resistance level 32,800, should act as a support level for me tomorrow. Right, this will be my next setup. Now apart from this, if it opens here or if it opens this level, I will not take a trade, because it doesn't make any sense for us to go and take a trade which is gone up so much or gone down so much. Rather wait for the prices to settle and then take a decision rather than doing this. So this will be my setup for Banknifty tomorrow. But honestly, I don't trade much in Banknifty. Very rarely I trade in Banknifty, right? Nifty is something that I'll trade usually, which I keep putting videos. You can also have a look at this, but please do mark these levels and you can have a particular thing about these as well. All right, so hope to see you soon, and let's say call it for the day. All the best for tomorrow's thing. You can watch the other video on the Nifty as well. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.